An example of how to use Dall-E 2 immediately. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody, and now that you understand what Dall-E 2 is, let's talk about practical applications and how you could start using it immediately. So I'm going to share my screen on something that I did just recently. I began by actually going through and typing in an oil painting by Salvador Dali of a robot making money with a laptop. And so it gave me a bunch of different options that I absolutely loved. This was my favorite. So I chose this one. And what I did is I just downloaded it and shared it. And then once I had that on my main computer, then I went into Canva and I set it up a project. And as I went there, I said, okay, I want to put this as a LinkedIn banner. So I put in the pixel dimensions, 180 by 720. And as doing that 180 by 720, I dropped in this one and I thought, oh, there's extra space. Why don't I make a little bit of a collage with the other two that came in as well? So after I did this, I then went ahead and downloaded this particular image and I posted it. And I put it into this particular article on LinkedIn. And you can see the visual is stunning. And it was immediately responded to by a lot of my colleagues. But what I loved about it is that it started to show exactly how you could use it. I then combined this visual image and I sourced it, oil painting by Salvador Dali on robot making money on a laptop via the open source Dall-E platform, which is openai.com/DALL-E-2. And then I went through and I wrote, okay, here's what I did, and this is exactly the process. I'll also use GPT to actually share the article about just how cool you could just run through an article. And I gave my own particular take on the actual article itself. And suddenly, boom, I can't tell you, this was one of the more popular articles I've had in a while because everyone's like, this is crazy. This is mind-blowing. And it is, because I basically created something from nothing by just thinking, hey, what would it be like if a computer were making money on a laptop? Like the actual artificial intelligence generated that image for me. And so I've been able to use that as a header image. And now suddenly I'm able to put it out into my digital marketing and share this knowledge and learning journey that I'm on. And it's so exciting. So here's the thing. Don't be afraid. Start playing with this technology. It's fun. Enjoy it. Start seeing what people respond to and start to really use the tools just like you would use Adobe Photoshop or other design applications. The difference is you don't have to know how to design to create really beautiful art. You just have to know how to ask for what you're looking for. The key difference, as I said in my last one, was I asked for a Salvador Dali version of this computer robot actually making money on a laptop. When I did it the first time, it was a little scary. So you'll continue to use it. And then once you have something you like, put it out there, get feedback, see how it resonates with your customers. I'm telling you, you can get started with this today. Have fun.